Hello, welcome to Bogota. So today we're gonna walk around the district that I'm in Bogota. Although when I purchased this online, it said Chapinero. They were wrong. It's El Chico. So it's important that you know that not all the information that you see on Google or that you purchase on Airbnb or Booking.com, it's not always accurate. They're trying to be accurate, but you know, it is what it is. So, this is more of a business district that I'm in right now, and on the weekends there's really, you know, it's pretty desolate, but this is a weekday. So today, I'll show you the area that I'm in. This is the main road from where I'm staying, and there is countless amounts of places that you can get food to eat. We got pizza, we got Subway. This restaurant up in front of us, it's sushi and hamburgers and stir fry, and it's amazing. This is my favorite place, and it's priced unbelievable. I'll be in there later on today to grab some. And then we have just lines up of places that you can grab food for cheap. If you don't like cooking, you want to live close to the street. With that being said, there's almost every street that you walk on, you can find, you know, street food and quick restaurants that you can grab food. For example, this fruteria has all kinds of great fruit that you can just grab and go. And then there's also a Quiznos that's going to open right over here if you still want to have that gringo food. I'm really not into gringo food when I'm not in Gringolandia. I pretty much want to stick to the cultural food. And when I'm here, the diet starts tomorrow. I eat anything goes, as long as it's not going to upset my stomach. And we got a fruteria here. These people are really nice. They get that's just straight fruit. Everything's fresh, brought in. You can grab something quick to eat for 1,300 pesos. That's about 33 cents. How can you go wrong? Then we got Olympica right here. That's where you do all your food shopping. And as you can see, today's a sunny day. It's probably about 74. One beautiful thing about Bogota is you can get spring, winter, fall, and summer all in one day if you're up early enough. Really early in the morning, it's pretty crisp. And then as the sun starts to come out, it really begins to warm up. And then it cools down like fall for the later part of the day. Sometimes a touch of rain, nothing aggressive. And then it does it all over again. There is more rainy seasons in Bogota, but this season is pretty good. This time of the year is really good. The main reason for this video is so that I can actually show you Bogota and you get your own eyes and you can see it in El Chico. Typically, photos don't cut the mustard in my eyes. They can be manipulated. They can make things look better or worse than what they really are. I'm just going to show it to you raw and uncut. This is pretty much how I walk to the gym every day. What I want to do is provide you the visual of what it's going to be like when you get here. So you're already comfortable before you even get here. I'll do all the footwork for you, and then when you arrive here, you'll already be comfortable. Puta. You have to watch where you're walking. There's holes and bumps. Things are sometimes unlevel. You can end up Tranquilo, papá. This is how I go to the gym, and it's also how you go to Parque 93. It's a very popular section, very nice, restaurants, food everywhere. There's just so many nice things up here in El Norte. This is a very big city. On paper, this city has 8.7 million people. With that being said, when you add in immigrants, legal immigrants, illegal, plus tourism, we're pushing 10 mil. Not 10 mil in Spanish, 10 million in English. Tons of wing places over here that you can take a date to or grab something on your own. Endless amounts of restaurants. Chinese food, Asian cuisine, Fit Hub, healthy food.